Hi guys, welcome to another YouTube clip of our travels, and this time we go to Zanzibar Island. Hello. Hello. I think it's going to show. Guys, negotiation in process. When you are back home, you definitely, in Africa, you definitely have to bargain. It's allowed, and this is the bag in question, and we're trying to bring it down from 15,000 Tanzania shillings to around, how much? Yeah, 10,000 Tanzania shillings. So, yes, you have to negotiate, you have to bargain for everything. Well, almost everything, unless you're in a supermarket. But when you're in an open air market like this, it's good to bargain. Sasa bei ya mwisho? Ah? Umeshaongea? 13? Wewe fanya 10. Wewe unatufukuza? We're now at Forodani Beach, and people are having a nice time, and this is how it looks. The sun is setting. So let's go and check out the food. This is sugarcane juice. It's very popular on the island. So it's making some sugarcane juice. Yeah. Unatengeneza nini hapa? Urojo. Oh, hiyo ni nini? Mchanganyiko wa vitu na kijoni. Okay. Kachori, egg, mustaki. Okay. Badia. Okay. Miss Ashley is not so good at trying new stuff, so it's nice to see that she's trying.
I'm recording on the phone. Say hello, Mama.
Hey.
Octopus and calamari, shrimp and the kidney bronze, octopus fillet, calamari fillet.
Very beautiful, as you can see. We were supposed to swim, but I don't think the plan will be going on. And
There is one. Yep. Oh, and there's a blackout, so we are in total darkness. Woohoo! It's a big celebration when the lights come back on. Okay. There's another one going by. So guys, this is our drive to the spice farm. A lot of greenery, a lot of trees. And we have arrived. These are some of the trees and roots to the spice farm. Oh, it has been made from the coconut leaf.
Yeah.
And any spice we get to taste, we can put it there.
We have a lot of the spicy.
Okay,
but
okay.
We can start in this area. We have a lot of this tree here.
Right.
So, but this tree, we call it a acacia.
Cassia, okay.
Yeah, but we have the plants here, the vine from the big tree. Every tree has a plant in the vine from the big tree.
Right.
Easy flowers, and we
Right.
make this perfume.
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
Called Chanel number 0.
Chanel
Line or Chanel number 0.
number 0. Okay.
Because this is free of chemicals.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
dry these flowers, we boil with coconut oil and the mess of nutmeg. We boil together in the lock machine, we squeeze, you get this.
Wow.
And we get the red color because the mess of nutmeg is the red color. You rub it and you
Just
smell.
rub it.
Hakuna matata. Very high up.
Your coffee.
Yes.
This one banana coffee, vanilla coffee, cardamom coffee, ginger coffee, cinnamon coffee, coffee tea.
Okay.
Here, different kind of tea.
Okay.
Let me see. Sorry. And guys, this is the spice store. If you
Sure.
guys want.
Spice shop. After
Okay.
the spice.
After the spice farm, after spice tour,
Yes.
here we'll see
The
spice shop.
spice shop.
Oh, this is the spice shop, guys.
Right.
Yes, we have different kind of spice.
Vanilla
Yeah,
tea.
Here we have curry for meat, fish, for grill before to marinate,
Yeah.
for chicken masala, garam masala, biryani masala for making biryani rice. This for making pilau rice. You never had pilau rice?
Yes.
Fish and meat, tandoori chicken, this meat masala, tandoor masala, red curry. Red curry no taste, just for coloring food. Red curry, no taste. This one curry normal, cinnamon powder, ginger. This hot curry, even this cinnamon powder, lemongrass, turmeric, coriander, chili, cumin.
What's cumin?
Cumin seed is one
Cumin
of the
powder.
ingredients for pilau.
Ah, okay.
Here we have the whole. We have lemongrass leaves, star anise, coriander seed. This one.
Good morning, guys. We are headed to the aquarium right now. We're going to swim with turtles. So here we are, walking. Those are the turtles behind. We are going to the reception, and these are the tortoises and the other animals. So we're heading to the reception so that we can pay. And this are, I guess, the rooms. How much are the rooms here?
Yes, we have.
Yeah, how much is the accommodation?
For accommodation, so
Per
you
night?
have to, asking for 1 night.
Okay.
You can ask at the reception there.
Okay. So this is the reception. I headed to pay for.
So you can see our price.
Okay, these are the rates.
Yeah.
Okay. So swimming is $10.
$10.
Okay.
Yeah, transaction 20
Okay. For each person?
for each person.
Okay, okay. Okay. Mama, let's go here.
Oh, feeding.
We come and pay. We'll pay. Mom, will you swim or will you?
I want to swim.
You want to swim with the?
Yes.
Okay.
That's good.
Okay. 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 It's a conservation program or so.
Yes, it is.
Okay. And how many aquariums are there?
We have 2 aquariums here.
Okay,
So
okay.
this one and another one is outside.
Okay. And the other one, somebody cannot swim?
Yes, it is.
Okay, okay.
Here
Okay.
you can swim.
Here you can swim, okay.
Why? Yes. That's because the water is from there. It's not clean and it's not safe because
Okay.
there's trash inside, so you can't swim.
Okay. So this one, it's like they clean all the time. Okay.
And also, you can from there you can see the turtles.
Okay.
But here you can see very clear.
Very clear. Okay. Okay. We're going to pay now.
We are coming near the turtles. Oh, I wish I could show you guys.
A nice kiosk. Like a dala. The lady that we were staying with at the hotel, she's kind enough to show us the way where we can take a daladala. Daladala, I guess they are like matatus of Kenya, but here they are called daladala. And this is like, I think it's one of the village areas or accommodation areas in Nungwi. So that's pretty cool to see how the people are living. Yeah. We will take it to Stone Town. This is what they use in Zanzibar. It's more or less like the matatus of Kenya.
Don't stick your head
Oh. Oh, I like when...
So yeah, guys, enjoy the footage. I'm so scared.
We are in the Indian Ocean and we're going to one of the islands. So I'm surprised no seasickness. How old are some of these turtles? Like the oldest one is how old?
184 years.
Okay.
The biggest 160.
So 160 and the oldest is 184.
94.
194. Wow.
But how do I feed Mama? Do I just do like this?
Yeah.
So
If you just put it to the mouth, it will just grab it. No probs. So guys, we are on Prison Island. I thought it was Nakupenda, but apparently this is Prison Island. Then later on we are going to Nakupenda Island. So yeah.
So guys, you reached the end of the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell to stay notification. Anyway guys, that's it.